Good afternoon. Afternoon, early evening. I was showing you this RainX. It's a waterless car wash and rain repellent. Something new I have not tried before. And yeah, my truck a little bit dirty. Our truck a little bit dirty. You might not be able to see it too much.
Even in hockey, they get more big than that. Hey, doggy.
Alright, there you can see this. Probably not, it's in the shade. A quick comparison here. Here's before. And I know it's not really dirty, but I still like to try and keep my vehicles clean. I like to make a good attempt. Hey, look at that tailgate. Oh! Whoa, I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but yeah, that tailgate's pretty dirty. So let's walk around, and I don't know if you can tell, but the after, yeah, that RainX does a pretty good job. I like that. We've always liked RainX products. We use them in our washer fluid, for our washer fluid. I'm sorry. Been a long day so far. I mean, it's looking pretty good. Just got to finish up the rest of the truck. Even that hood looks a little bit better. You know? Really can't tell too much. It was a little dirty beforehand. So let's continue. Let's get her cleaned up. hopefully you can see. Got half the roof. I'm gonna try and get the other half before. Guess what? Rain. We got rain coming in. I could feel the breeze blowing. So I'm trying to get this done before it starts to rain down on me. But RainX, waterless wash and rain repellent. Okay, say that a couple different times. Waterless wash and rain repellent. Good stuff. I used, by the time I'm done, probably gonna use just about the whole bottle on my truck. So if you like to do it yourself, like I do, you know, try and keep your truck clean, especially on the road. I'm not doing this for RainX. I'm not being paid to advertise their product. I'm not being sponsored for their product, but we like RainX. My wife saw this and decided we'd try it because I wanted to wash the truck. And this is the best way I know, for me, to wash the truck instead of taking it to the car wash all the time. So, get a chance, try it. The stuff works real nice. Not on really, really dirty vehicles, but it'll take off all the light dirt. So, let me get this done and finished before it starts to rain on me, like it does in Florida. So, we will talk to you later. Have a great day and stay safe. And happy Labor Day. As you can see by all the people in the park. And the park's pretty full right now. Oh. And two more very important things I forgot to add. You can also still use this on your windows, inside and out. Makes them look good. And it smells good. I know that might not be a big factor in it, but it does smell good after you use it. I do plan to use quite a few rags. That's my rag pile. Now I got what's left of that bottle, plus one more bottle. So I'm good to go for the next time. Okay. Stay safe. Have a good day. And enjoy your weekend.